My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
Hey guys, episode 9. The car is finally back from body shop. First two things. We had this deadline for WORKZ because of the coronavirus. Everybody knows about it. WORKZ is cancelled. So that leaves me that I don't have a deadline for the moment. Still, I want to drive this car as quick as possible, you know. But yeah, some of the works or some of the stuff that needs to be done are gonna be delayed because of that. For example, the front, the roll cage is gotta go to the powder coating, but that business is closed, so that's have to wait, and I don't know how long. So I hope not too long, but hey, it is what it is. So I'm gonna continue building this car. Yesterday I had my first day, already assembling some stuff. I'm gonna show you a quick tour around later. What I already did is the front axle, the rear axle, the steering column, the fuel tank, stuff like that. Guys, before we start, pause this thing, go description below, follow my YouTube channel, like in the description, please tell me what you want to see, and yeah, share it to the world, right? Let's go. So as you can see, I already did some stuff. Front axle is in, but the paint looks sick, man. This is sick. I'm gonna give you a quick tour. So still the brakes need to go on, but looks dope, right? And check out here, already installed the steering column, the reservoirs for the pedal brake and the clutch, already this. Check out in the back the rear axle. Don't mind the rust, because the suspension was laying here a little bit too long, but it's no problem. Well, we're gonna first break it off, and of course the fuel tank. So yeah, I hope the parts are coming in very quick, because yeah, I wanna see this built together. I wanna put the engine in, but I'm still waiting on the brake lines, the hard brake lines. Yeah, I wanna mount them first before we do the engine in, because otherwise I'm gonna have Oh, camera is flipping. Okay, so otherwise we don't have as much as room as we have now, so it's much easier this way. So let's go. So guys, we're building the brakes. Here you can see the hydraulic brake, and there you can see the pedal box. I had this problem. They are, I guess, American measuring or something, so the original brake lines, they didn't fit. So I had this friend, he made me some flexible fitting kits. This is to original Volkswagen diameters. So, and this fits in the part right here. So I had them, they all handmade, as you can see, a bit of different lengths, but yeah, let's try this out. I hope this works, and then the brake lines are in, not that quick, but or maybe that quick. Let's see. So the engine, here he is. I cleaned, polished this, repainted it, and yeah, I think it looks sick, right? So can't wait to get it in. Now I need to do the gearbox, because as you can see, that is still a little bit of a mess. So I started cleaning up, and it needs some love, it needs some good cleaning, and it's gonna look as sick as the engine does at the moment. So we're gonna get there, no problem.